Beetroot bread is kind of an unusual bread. This loaf reminds me of a rye loaf. It is dense and hearty. And wait until you see the color. You puree and process the beets the day before, and in the evening you'll make a low hydration overnight mother dough with the beet juice. So it's a really nice bright pink mother dough. We'll be baking off this bread the next day. And like I said, it's kind of unusual. With this loaf, you'll have to make sure that you cool it completely, because right after bake, the dough is a bit sticky. The dough improves and gets better throughout the day and is even better the next day. Okay, I have these beautiful beets that were already roasted. I took the outside skin off. I'm going to chunk them up and get them into my blender so I can make a puree, which I'll use tomorrow when I make the beet dough. So I'll probably end up having more beets than I need, but that's okay. I like eating beets, so I can eat up the extra. I'm going to start with just this amount of beets here. I'll puree it and I'll see if that's going to end up being enough for my formula. Here's my beet puree. It's still in the blender. So I'll put this beet puree into the refrigerator overnight and we'll use it tomorrow. I weighed it in the blender container and I should have plenty for the formula. So I just used one large beet. It was, around 400 grams, the size of the beet. It really looks nice. It's nice and smooth. And I'm going to put ascorbic acid into it to help it keep its color, which is vitamin C. This is something that they've used for many, many years for preserving the color of food. Stir that in. It's just vitamin C. Okay, I'll put this in the refrigerator and we'll make our beet dough tomorrow.